Yeah, it's definitely a male pileated. His partner's out in front. Yeah, they're not interested in the balls again. Yeah. All right, buddy. Good to see you as always. All right, buddy. You be careful, huh?